On our way to sustainable global solutions, someone needs to ask the right questions. What about using plastic waste as sustainable building material? Can we produce sustainable packaging? Which natural resources do we need for climate-friendly technologies? 90% of global production depends on chemical products. The chemical sector consumes 10% of the world's total energy and contributes to 8% of greenhouse gas emissions. To achieve the aims of the United Nations 2030 Agenda, a rethink is needed in the chemical industry and its related sectors. We, the ISC3, aim to facilitate the transformation towards sustainable chemistry as a major contribution to a sustainable world.
A circular economy is very important, one that is striving to implement multifaceted aspects of sustainability at every step of the life cycle of products. Another very important key factor is changing all stakeholder behavior.
To find solutions for our global challenges, someone needs to find the missing link. For example, facing tons of non-recycled polymers on the one hand and the global need for affordable housing on the other.
ISC3 discussed with us in a workshop the pros and cons of using waste plastic for building as a bridging technology towards a circular future for plastics. A first step towards this direction is the capacity building program that ISC3 developed with us and other partners from Kenya.
Talking about sustainability, someone also needs to assess what is sustainable and what is not. The impact of packaging material, for example, needs to be assessed over the entire period of the material's life, so-called life cycle assessment.
At Mobius, our mission is to convert unavoidable food and forestry waste into upcycled ingredients and climate-friendly building blocks. As a part of the Global Startup Network, we partnered with the ISC3 Innovation Hub to improve our understanding of life cycle assessment.
For lasting change, it always requires someone to clearly state the obvious.
Our resources are finite. Also, metals are finite resources, and especially metals we have nearly everywhere. Smartphones, in all the electronic devices like computers, cars, vehicles, and so on.
As a non-renewable resource, metals are of great importance for low-carbon technologies.
A much broader approach is needed. And we tackle this in our research and also in our study courses, which we offer at the Research and Education Hub of ISC3 at Leuphana.
As a multi-stakeholder platform, ISC3 is building a global network to promote sustainable chemistry. At the very core of our work is collaboration. At ISC3, we connect the right minds, doers, researchers, organizations, and our bold startups with decision makers around the world. We aim to bring about a change in all areas of the chemical-related sector for a functioning circular economy. We need to rebuild, reuse, recycle, rethink. We work for sustainable chemistry, for a sustainable future.